Right, welcome to Bicycle Camping Adventures. Ian is back and we thought we'd do another trip, and it's highly likely it's going to rain, possibly even thunderstorms, and it's already kind of windy, as you can probably hear. We're in a nice location, lots of trees. There's a big bird box up there, like massive. So we'll see what happens, because there's not really a great deal planned, but we are doing an overnight camp. And here is Ian's, like, another bike. So why have you got a different bike again?
Because last bike I snapped the derailleur hanger off again, so I've gone old school this time and got a hanger protector from an old 1980s mountain bike, and obviously the basket, don't really need it, it's just there because it looks cool.
Yes, well, I've got the same. Well, it's a hybrid bike, what kind of just looks like a mountain bike, and I really like the big 27.5 tyres, really good for going over rough ground. I've got the Lotus bikepacking bags, which I'm totally confident if it rains it'll stay waterproof. Right, we're just having a rest. We're going to ride round the lake, so I'll bring you back soon. Well, we're just on a lane where we're planning on camping, even though it was a bit early. And apparently it's not raining. Yet there is a possibility it could rain, so I thought it was someone else's voice then. Well, it could be that paranormal activity. You just never know. Well, it started to rain, and we're just chilling out down there because it's a really lovely, quiet place. I mean, most places I go, you can always hear road noise, but you can't hear any road noise down there at all, can you?
It's lovely, isn't it, these woods?
All we can hear is like nature. Even at Abbey Woods, you can hear the motorway all the time. Listen to the sound of the rain on the trees. It's a shame the GoPro won't pick all the sound up with a case on it. I have got my umbrella on me, but it may get used, we just don't know.
Mine's imminently getting used.
I've not used my umbrella, but I've always wanted the opportunity to give it some use. Right, we're just kind of chilling out, really. This wood on this side is pretty damn big. You can't really get in that way, but the old braided engine. Oh well. I was thinking I might as well just get the umbrella out. Or is it stopping?
I'm going to get mine out and keep it at the ready.
Yeah, well, I'll bring it back soon and maybe get the umbrella out. you got vodka out there?
I was going to do some vodka and Ribena if you want one while we're waiting.
Yeah. Vodka and Ribena sounds good. Even in here, if you add to it, Bivvy would go. You see that just down there? Just down there you could get a Bivvy and it's flipping.
You got your cup, James?
I'll have to open my bag up.
You've got to get your waterproof, James. So you get caught out.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Have you got yours on?
No, but they're ready and waiting just in case.
Well, one of our previous videos, some people kind of found it amusing while we were drinking a bit of alcohol. So what's this we've got here? That tastes alright actually. It hasn't got that big kind of kick.
Don't drink it too quickly then.
And it's still raining. The wind is still blowing. But it really is nice here. And just look over there, it looks like it goes on for a long way, but it actually doesn't. Well, I'm glad all my bags are waterproof. Right, it's started raining like really hard again. Ian's got his umbrella out. I'm going to give mine a try for the first time. If I can work out how to open it. I'm guessing you have to push this. Is that right? You have to push this up somehow. Or is there a button on it? Is it identical? Yeah. Umbrellas. Flipping brilliant. I'll have to edit. Now let's go for a walk in the rain with umbrellas. Look at that! This is so much fun. Oh, look at it. Keeping dry under the umbrella. I'll have to try and remember to put a link in the description for these umbrellas that I got off of Amazon. I don't know why we're walking up this road, but we was planning on going the other way.
Awesome, aren't they?
Yeah, it's a very good idea. It is really nice down here, it is. And we're just hanging out for a while, so We don't want to get like, you know, saturated with water. Well, at least my bag's not going to get wet because it's waterproof. And if you sat, you could just sit down, have this over you. Well, I'm going to finish my drink and we're going to go up the other end of this road to have a look at something. Then we'll probably have a look around in the woods. So I'll bring you back soon. Right, the rain has slowed down, so we are gonna go down to the end of this road and see what is there. Nice down there, isn't it? I bet Chris Scott knows where we are, if he's watching. Oh, look how dry there's a well there. Well, we've come to have a look at somewhere and see if we can get water. I don't think we're desperate for water, but fortunately this kind of pond thing looks a bit manky, but it's an incredibly nice place. I mean, it's still pretty quiet and the grass is brown because it's been dry for so long. I don't want my bike falling over again. There's even a coot over there. Look, it looks like a bit small. Yeah, the water level's probably down. It looks manky, but I'm sure it's duckweed. I'm sure it's not dangerous because I've seen some of these stupid doomsday prepper shows where there was a couple what were growing duckweed to actually drink it for like protein or some crazy crap. So I don't think it would harm you, but who knows?
It's just getting it from there, isn't it? I mean, probably aren't that desperate for water over yet.
Which way are you gonna go back? I mean, you could go up to, I don't know, it's up to you, but you could go up to Trent Lock and use that tap thing.
I'm going to go very close to there. I'm going to go to, what's that main road that we cross? You know, when we come through Trent Lock, we do a right.
I'm trying to think.
We come along the River Trent, we go up over quite a big bridge. There's like,
that one with the one that was on the side of the railway bridge.
Yeah, maybe that.
Near where that micro pub is.
That's it, yeah. We carry on along there, and then there's on the right hand side there's some water taps.
You mean this Solly Marina?
Solly Marina, that's it. I'm going to get it from there.
I've not seen.
Oh, yeah,
There's bound to be some, haven't there?
I've seen them there because I'm going to head back, cycle route 67, then sort of cycle route 6 along the Derby, what used to be the Derby Canal, then the Cloud Trail, and then I'm going to head through sort of country lanes towards Orstry way it is.
I've been down the Derby Canal and some of that Cloud Trail. It's pretty nice. I saw a rabbit over there. It was quite a big one. Look at that little space over there. If you could get over there and get a bivvy in there, it'd be flipping amazing. It's not exactly flat, but tiny bit of rain still. But we should have a look what's up that end. Let's keep an eye on the bikes there if you want to. Right, it seemed like the rain had stopped, but we just had this big blast of wind and it started raining again, so we've got all the rain gear on. Yeah, there's been a nice sort of chilled out adventure. It's so nice and quiet and peaceful down this area. It's just been nice to kind of not even do a great deal, so well, we're going to head back to them other woods and find some of the camp. Right, it's raining pretty good. We're coming to a place I've been wanting to camp in for quite some, probably a couple of years or something, and I always remembered it was a good spot, and it still looks a good spot, and I think Ian is very impressed with it, and it's actually pretty damn, it's quiet. You can literally barely hear any road noise, and only just fell over, so
drinking vodka.
yeah, I've had a, what was it, vodka and blackcurrant, I think. Yeah, we've still got waterproofs on. I mean, it's raining good out there, it is. It is raining proper. So we won't be taking waterproofs off for a while. Now we've both got like a tarp we're going to set up somehow. I might let Ian, set it up first. Oh, it will be nice going to sleep tonight if it's just raining like this. Oh, it looks like I need to put the GoPro on charge, so I might have to put a tarp up just to keep all my gear dry, so I'll bring you back when I can. Well, I still haven't put the GoPro on charge, but I will soon now I've got a dry place to sit. I might need to adjust the tarp a bit. Yeah, it needs I'll do that later. It's keeping the rain off. So we've got the Snugpack Stratosphere ready to go. Alright, let's go and see what Ian has done. Well, this is quite a setup.
Trying to upload Strava, but trying to get a bit of signal.
I haven't really checked mine, but mine uploaded, but I always do the photographs like afterwards. Well, for those interested in how Ian is set up, he's got the same bivvy, and he's holding it up with the bike. And the sun is coming out, and it seems like the rain is slowing down, but it could always come back. God, the sun's quite bright out on that field. Right, I need to get stuff on charge, and maybe it's time to get some food on.
Definitely.
Right, I've got my GoPro on charge on the Orky power bank. I've made my cup of tea, usual food, Chinese rice, mackerel. I'm attempting to do a freezer bag cook, which I'm hoping isn't a disaster. I've not done freezer bag cooking before. Some people do it. I thought I'd try it after watching a video from Pedal Shift, I think he's called. And I think he subscribed to my channel, so write something in the comment if you're watching this. Ian's on his phone. It stopped raining, but well, according to the weather forecast, it's gonna start again early-ish in the morning.
Yeah, from about 4 o'clock. Yeah, 4 in the morning till 7 tomorrow evening.
That's a lot of rain.
Torrential rain, apparently.
Right, I'll see how long this takes to cook. Right, I posted on my Facebook page if anyone had any questions, and as usual I've literally had no response, but I've had a couple. So we've got a message from Anne Hayward, which is nice. Thank you for that, and I'm glad you get inspired by what we do and other bike rides and stuff. And I've got a question from Christopher. I don't know how to pronounce your middle name. It looks like I can't pronounce that, but Christopher Ford. Why is it called the Bat Bike? Also, your views on those e-bags or e-bags. What the hell does that mean? Do you mean the bike bags? I've never heard of e-bags before.
Does he mean e-bikes?
Well, we don't have e-bikes. If you mean the bags, they're made by Lotus, and I think they're brilliant for the price. They're worth buying if you want to get into bike packing. And why have I called the Bat Bike on my photograph? Well, it helps if you've seen the Batman trilogy. Yeah, the bike is, you'll understand why I call it the Bat Bike if you watch the Batman trilogy, because it kind of, when you've got it all loaded up with your gear, it looks like something Batman would ride. It's kind of a joke. Anyway, I'm going to see if the rice is boiled up because I'm ready to eat. I'll bring you back soon. Right, it's getting close to sunset. And it's still really quiet and peaceful here. We're deciding we're going to, well, just basically sort of go to bed, chill out, whatever. So hopefully our tarps will hold up in the night.
Well, we hope so, don't we?
I can see all this food down there. I've already eaten mine. Right. I'm going to go and sort of get sorted out and read something on my phone. Right. See you in the morning. It'll probably be very raining a lot. Right, I'm going to get in and we will catch you in the morning. Right, good morning. It's starting to get light. It's raining. I don't know if I'm going to get up yet, but we'll have a look outside. Now, it's not raining that hard, but it is raining. Having the tarp to, you know, be under is kind of nice when it's raining. It's still pretty damn windy. It doesn't look like, I think Ian's probably awake. I look like I saw him moving. Right, I'm just doing breakfast. Right, we're packing the gear up and I'm enjoying my posh coffee. Yeah, it's been a pretty good night. Definitely one of the most quiet places I've been to.
Yeah, it was nice. Just packing up.
Yeah, I've done most of mine.
Yeah. I'm not looking forward to rolling the end of the bivvy up.
Mine weren't too bad, I mean. Right, there's a lot of rain out there, and apparently it's going to rain most of the day. I can get home and get this video edited. Right, everything is packed up. It is still raining. See, we've got to find our way out the wood, and I'm glad I've got my rain trousers on. You know, I've wanted to come back to this spot for a long time. Definitely will come again. God, it is a wet morning, it is. Right, we're out of the woods, it's still raining and we're just choosing what route we're going back.
Yeah, I'm going to head down, well, along this road to Route 67.
I can't really see it very well, but...
Route 67 and then onto the Early Wash Canal and then onto the Derby Canal and the Cloud Trail home.
Yep, seems good. I wonder how long this video is going to be. Probably long enough. Yes, it was a really nice stay in them little woods. Right, we're going our separate ways now. It's been an interesting, enjoyable trip.
Yeah, it's been lovely. Nice quiet woods. Tarps work well in the rain.
Yeah, everything's gone well. So we'll see you next time. And hope you people who've been asking for camp videos have enjoyed this. So don't forget to leave a comment. Make sure to thumb up, and I'll see you on the next video, whenever that will be. Alright, bye for now. It is getting extremely windy up there. I'm just, well, sharing a can of ale with Ian. I hope that's not another bloody, oh, not another one. There's like another wasp thing.
There's a wasp.
I thought it was another one.
Oh, fuck me. Here we go again.
I do, oh god. Ooh, I'll try not to wave at it. Back soon.